For premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast, exclusive to Kalkine TV, where we provide you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Australian share market is set to fall on the last day of the week after a sell-off on Wall Street, which was weighed by interest rate hike concerns. Meanwhile, US retail sales fell more than expected in November, while the labour market remained tight. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is expected to open 85 points or 1.2% lower on Friday. On Thursday, the benchmark index ended 0.65% lower at 7,204.8 points. Let's now take a look at some price-sensitive announcements coming from the ASX this morning. Link Administration Holdings Limited, a company that provides services to the superannuation industry, has announced that its agreement with Australian Super has been extended by an additional 2 years commencing on the 1st of July 2023 until June 30th, 2025. Under the extended agreement, Link Group will continue to provide superannuation administration and customer engagement services to the fund. Link Group will bring its long-standing experience and commitment to delivering services to AusSuper members and employers. Link Group has a market cap of 1.72 billion Aussie dollars. Moving on, and Reed Cloud Limited, a software solutions company headquartered in Brighton, Victoria, has today provided an update on its leadership team. With the recent acquisition of Southern Solutions Training Services Pty Limited, providing potential growth opportunities in the early childhood education and care sector, together with the increased staff and operational focus required, Lars Lindstrom has decided to step down from his current role as Chief Executive Officer of the company effective as of today. Lindstrom has served in the role for the past 8 years, and now Executive Director and Chief Information Officer Mr. Darren Hunter has been appointed Interim CEO and will be supported by the non-executive directors. There is no change to Mr. Hunter's remuneration. The board will commence a search for an appropriately qualified and experienced executive to fill the role of CEO on a permanent basis. Reed Cloud has a market cap of 11.57 million Aussie dollars. Also making news today is Kinetico Energy. Kinetico Energy Limited, an Australian gas explorer and developer, has announced that it has received firm funding commitments from a private South African institution to raise 2.95 million Aussie dollars through the exercise of an option. FIFO Power, a South African energy investment institution, has committed to providing the funds. Shares have been offered at a price of 9 cents apiece to raise the 2.95 million Aussie dollars. The option expires on the 28th of February 2023. 32,802,220 ordinary shares in the company will be issued under the placement pursuant to the company's available 15% placement capacity. Kinetico Energy has a market cap of 85.6 million Aussie dollars. And lastly, Beamtree Holding Limited, a leading provider of AI decision support and data analytics to the healthcare industry, is pleased to announce a new agreement with Abbott, a leading global healthcare company, to distribute Beamtree's Ripple Down products. The agreement is for an initial 3 years with an option to extend to 4 or 5 years. It covers any sales during the contractual period Beamtree will commit to providing the Ripple Down product for the duration of the end customer contract. Abbott will retain exclusive distribution rights except for a single existing distribution agreement. Abbott will pay an annual product fee for smaller single laboratory clients and revenue share for larger customers. And Beamtree expects the agreement to be a material contribution to its total revenue. Beamtree has a market cap of 74.68 million Aussie dollars. Alright, time now for a quick break here on the ASX at Breakfast before we take a look at the world markets, the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto. If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media. to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin. Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Taking a look at global markets, and on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell by 2.25%, the S&P 500 dipped 2.49%, and the Nasdaq was the biggest loser, dropping 3.23%. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell by 3.5%, London's FTSE dipped by 0.9%, and the CAC dropped 3.1%, whilst the DAX ended 3.3% lower. The Bank of England delivered its 9th straight rate rise and the 8th of 2022. The European Central Bank also raised rates by half a percentage point, its 4th successive hike. The MSCI All-World Index also slumped, down 2.5%, a second straight day of declines. The Aussie dollar has been largely flat over the past 24 hours. One Aussie dollar is currently buying 67.02 US cents, down from Tuesday's intra-week high of 68.68 US cents. Moving on, and oil prices have taken a tumble. Crude oil gave back some of the previous session's 2.5% rally that was driven by forecasts of a rebound in energy demand next year on the back of China reopening after COVID lockdowns. China's economy, however, lost more steam in November as factory output slowed and retail sales fell once more, hobbled by surging COVID-19 infections. WTI crude fell 1.37% to $76.22 a barrel, and Brent crude was trading at $81.39 a barrel, down 1.58% on the day. Also, gold prices saw a similar fall. Gold prices retreated as the dollar strengthened, with spot gold down by 1.7% at $1,776.61 an ounce. And lastly, the crypto market has taken another tumble. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has decreased by 2.46% to be valued at approximately $845.98 billion US dollars. Bitcoin has dropped 2.66% in the past 24 hours to trade at just above 17,348 US dollars. However, this is up from its price this time last week of 17,203 US dollars. All prices are accurate as of 9:30 a.m. Sydney time, according to CoinMarketCap. Alright, well that's all for this edition of the ASX at Breakfast. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, signing off for now.